the train's fairly empty, and those that are on it have got masks on, so let's see how we get on.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that's the train radio going on. We've just got some staff needing track access ahead of us, so we're going to be held here for a short while, ladies and gentlemen. As soon as I get any information, I shall let you know, but we're just going to be held here for a short while.
So we are just pulling into Whitechapel, I think. Yeah, it's empty on the train. Yeah, here we go. Look, one person on the platform. There's just no one around.
The next station is Tower Hill. Change for the Circle Line, DLR from Tower Gateway, and National Rail Services from Fenchurch Street. Exit for the Tower of London, Tower Bridge, and network services from Tower Pier.
This train will not be stopping at the next station, ladies and gentlemen. The next stop with this train will be Embankment. The next stop with this train will be Embankment.
So Temple Station is closed, and I've got a feeling that St James's Park, which is where I'm going, will also be closed.
At Victoria, I found face masks and sanitizer, and I didn't film anything, so I could just pay attention to keeping away from people and not touching any surfaces.
So yeah, a couple of closed stations. Beyond that, a fairly uneventful journey. I've made it into London, as you can see. There's the Palace, somewhere over there. But it's not the end of the world. I don't think I've caught coronavirus. Didn't touch anybody. Everyone on the tube had face masks on. Sat well far apart. There weren't a whole lot of staff at the stations, but I think that's probably for the best, don't you?